Efficient and effective food processing has become an obligation to produce products suitable for consumptions. However, due to demands in meeting processing quotas in production, quite a few workers cause potential harm to themselves and even the environment around them. Jange crackers, a traditional Indonesian cattle skin cracker that is considered to be a culinary delicacy in West Sumatra and known nationwide. Unfortunately, most small to medium enterprises in this industry are equipped with little and less advanced technology. As a result, production is less efficient and puts the risk on the workers. Moreover, these are the typical errors found in most productions. Our team has designed a system to counter this problem. This machine is capable of cutting cowhide using an automated pneumatic powered blade with a press of a button. The system itself brings benefits in comparison to conventional methods. This machine brings several benefits. The first one, it is capable of operating in equal to 4 manpower. The second is that the system eliminates the risk of harm to the user. The third one, the work system is practical and easy to use. And the fourth one, it is inexpensive and easy to maintain. The mechanical implementation consists of several segments. The first one being the pneumatic cylinder, second being the blade, third the body, the fourth press, and lastly the safety gate. So, firstly, the pneumatic cylinder, which acts as the actuator itself. The second one is the set of blades size 270 times 170 millimeters, and cubes are sized to 10 by 10 millimeters, which cuts into cowhide into perfect size cubes. And thirdly, the body itself has a dimension of 400 times 300 times 600 millimeters and is designed to drop the cubes directly into the designated spot. Fourth, the press is designed to push and fit the blades below. And lastly, the safety gate is equipped with a limit switch sensor. Going on with the work system itself, as I've mentioned before, since the safety gate is equipped with a limit switch sensor, the whole operation itself will not work if the user is not in a safe position. The example is if there is anything on the proximity of the blade cutting the user's fingers. If it is designated safe, we can now press the push button, and the cylinder will descend, hence cutting the cowhide. After the blade has fully descended, the cylinder will automatically rise, and this process will continue until we press the stop button. We've also taken measures considering the time taken for the cylinders to successfully slice based on the different pressures given by the pneumatic cylinder. Results of the measurements of the wind pressure used during testing and resulting cutting depth can be seen in this figure. It can be seen that a pressing time of 5 seconds produces an appropriate cutting depth. The air pressure used in this test is between 8 to 10 bars. In one cut, the tool is capable of producing 121 small pieces of cowhide with a size of 10 times 10 millimeters. From the picture, it can be seen that the cutting time for 10 cowhides varies greatly, starting from the slowest of 68 seconds and the longest of 74 seconds. It is assumed that the cowhide used has the same area as a total blade, namely 121 centimeters square, and this machine is capable of producing up to 64,020 raw cowhides every hour. From our presentation, we can conclude these several things. This machine has been actuated to fully functionally cut cowhides and is safe to operate by the dimensions of 400 times 300 times 600 millimeters, costing about a range of 2 until 3 million rupiahs or 600 to 900 Malaysian ringgits. This machine is capable of producing 64,020 raw cowhides every hour, which is equivalent to 4 manpower.